every time you see a question like that, just keep in mind, if it's short, has to be on
no, proper time. Because the proper time is always going to be shorter than the actual or actual time. Time dilation.
Yeah, so when you say okay, Earth time 30 days， 你说那我的那个什么的 ship time 的话，应该是 very short。
Yeah.
那你说一个是 large 一个 short 的话，那你说 how do you which one do you do？ 那你这个一定是 larger 嘛，那你就找这个 larger short。
Yeah.
这样的话 if this one you would always right.
Okay, I understand that, but I'm just saying you were trying to say also earlier that the ships. No, that the Earth's time is always going to be longer, but that's not that's not true.
No, that's wrong. That's
yeah,
wrong. Let's
so
look at question 7.
I know. I'm just disproving what you're telling me.
No, question 7 does that make
No,
sense?
it's not that way. It's the other way. It's shorter because the ship is traveling away slower. No, it's traveling.
No, let's look at the question
less than
7
the speed
again.
of light.
Because 7 question is
Remember velocity, right?
Okay, every 7 point. 但是
it's 15 seconds on the ship.
It's
the other way around.
1 full circuit every 15 seconds.
And hold on, let me think. If you get bigger.